friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you my new laser and engraver machine. It is Aufero Laser 2 and I'm going to be creating some beginners Valentine's DIY projects, mostly gift ideas. Do you ever see something like this and you wonder how long did it take to make something like this, or how do people make things like this? Some beautiful engraved pieces, some beautiful cutouts. I always wondered that, and I have to tell you, it is not as hard as it seems. I'm going to show you in this video how I made these awesome cute gift ideas for Valentine's Day, and I really hope you will enjoy them and maybe try them on your own. But first I will be showing you how I assembled it. Actually, my father-in-law helped me. It was fairly easy, and the manual that comes with the box has a QR code that you can scan and go ahead and see how you need to assemble it. So it is explained very well. Also, there's a lot of YouTube videos that you can watch to help you assemble it. So over here is just a quick overview how we did it. Like I said, it was fairly easy. I'm not really good with these things, but I was able, with a little bit of help of my father-in-law, to put it together. I'm so excited to show you this engraver and laser. I always wanted to have one and always wanted to try one, and I'm very pleased with it. It was definitely a learning curve, but if you give it a time and you learn it, there is so many possibility to create so many different things with this machine, this laser, and I couldn't be happier. So that's why I decided to go ahead and show you guys if this is something that you're interested in, or you want to maybe start new business, creating some things, or just for yourself and your family members, or as a gift. This is definitely something to consider. Before I continue with showing you the projects that I created, I wanted to just remind you that there are changes that are happening on my channel. If you already have not noticed, my husband and I are continuing this YouTube journey together. The channel name is going to be changed. We finally settled on some, so you're going to see that within the next week or two. You're going to mostly see budget-friendly DIYs, decor ideas, thrift flips, and some home improvement DIYs that I'm so happy to show you. I really hope you will continue to support this channel because I wouldn't be here without you guys. And now let's go ahead and continue with this review. To be able to create something with this laser engraver, or pretty much any laser engraver, you need to have some software, and the most common one is Lightburn. It is a 30-day free trial and after that you can buy a license for $60. Again, I'm not going to show over here how to work or explain how to work in the Lightburn, but there's so many videos on YouTube that explain in detail how to do it. That's what I personally did too, and I'm going to link in a description box some of the ones that helped me the most. There's also Laser GRBL that is free as well. That's something to consider. It is more simple. So really, whichever you guys decide to use, it is both of them are good, but both of them take time to learn. So over here you can see I started with some very simple engraving projects. There were some mistakes. Like I said, definitely it is a learning curve. It takes time, a lot of tries until you figure out what works best for your laser, what settings works the best, and it just takes time and patience. I spent a lot of time and I got even frustrated, but now that I learned a lot of things, I am getting very, very excited for creating so many different things, and I'm eager to create more. So this is one of the boards from the Dollar Tree, cutting boards, and it was so smooth to engrave these words on it, and it looks absolutely beautiful, and really it was so easy to make. Next, I decided to cut out the puzzle shapes, hard puzzle shapes. And again, there were several tries first, and I'm showing you over here, this one was the first try, and then the second try, and then after that, the third one was perfect. So like I said, I just wanted to show you everything to see how it goes over here. This one was good as well, but it was a little bit darker, as you can see, burnt on the edges. So I needed to bring the power down a little bit. You see over here, I elevated the area that I work, especially when it comes to cutting. I put this cookie sheet underneath because, or actually cookie rack, because when it cuts, it needs to have some kind of clearance so it can, you know, the fumes can go between the area on the bottom and the cutting area. So all these blanks are pretty much from the Dollar Tree. So just for your reference, there are 3 millimeters, most of them. And this one was so easy to cut. And as you can see, as the machine was cutting, the pieces were just dropping down. And that's another reason why when you're cutting, you should have some rack like this. So it doesn't move, and nothing moves when it cuts. Even if it drops, some pieces drop down. So look how beautiful it turned out. Everything was nice and smooth. Now I decided to cut out another heart shape puzzle, like two shapes, two pieces of puzzle that I'm going to later transform into a keychain. Since the theme this time was the Valentine's Day, I decided to create these cute little heart shapes for my project. And like I said, these were very simple projects. Now I tried to engrave stainless steel spatula, also from the Dollar Tree, and those are just a few examples. Beside these laser engravers can engrave acrylic, glass, tumblers, leather, plastic, really anything that you can think of. And like I said, I cannot wait to try so many more things and create so many beautiful things for myself, for my family, and for my friends and for others. So I really hope you like this presentation. I definitely recommend this. Just give it a time and take your time to understand all the process, and you will love it. I can guarantee you. I have in my description box links, like I said, to all the videos that helped me, and also to this laser engraver. Also, I have a really, really good code that this company provided for you guys. It is $50 off of this laser. It is definitely a good deal. So if you consider something like this, I would encourage you to go ahead and check it out. I am so happy to be creating again. I am happy to be able to share all the things that I'm going to be sharing within the next few months. My husband and I and my father-in-law did so many things, and I'm going to share all that with you guys. I want to thank you for always being here and supporting. I'm not always going to do voiceover. Sometimes it's just going to be overlays, but I appreciate you so much. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the week, and I will see you in our next video. Bye guys.